Blind Beauty.
We cannot direct the wind, but we can adjust the sails. By an unknown author.
Hello everyone, welcome to Blind Beauty. I'm Jennifer. What we are doing today is I'm going to show you how I blow dry my hair. There are only like 3 things that technically 4, but you can use whatever you want to brush out your hair originally, whether it's a brush, a comb. A wide tooth comb is better on wet hair, but I used my Conair brush. I've used paddle brushes, whatever the case may be on it. The only other things I used today were the Aussie Heat Insurance Heat Protecting Shine Spray, my Goody Amp It Up round brush, and then my Revlon 1875 hair dryer. This is a cheap hair dryer that you can get from Walmart, wherever. All these products, I believe, can be gotten from Walmart or Walmart.com, I think. So they're easy to find. They're fairly inexpensive. So, if you want to pick them up, you can. This is not sponsored. None of my videos are sponsored unless I say they are. But this is the style that I did. I added some volume to it. I, really went from pretty wet to dry, like it is now. So I hope you enjoy it, and let's get into the video. Now, my hair is wet. I actually took a shower and it dried quite a bit, so I went ahead and used a spray bottle to wet it a little more, because, I don't like my hair being too dry whenever I'm going to blow dry it. But you can also take a hair towel if you do like it a little drier, and put it in that for a while. I've done that before instead of letting it be this wet. And I'm taking the Aussie Hair Insurance Heat Protecting Shine Spray and putting it on my hair. Then I'm going to take a brush. Normally I would recommend using a comb to people, but for me, using a brush is just as easy. This is a Conair brush. I've had it for a while from Walmart. Even a paddle brush works. But you want to distribute it really well through the hair, and that's why I do it like this. Now like I have said before, I'm working on lighting and everything, and I don't know if y'all like this lighting. If you don't, once you have that all brushed through and everything, forgot to grab my hair dryer, believe it or not. This is I think it's a Revlon, Revlon 1875 hair dryer. It's got the little thing where you can, I'm not sure honestly what all it does anymore, but I know it's got a button here on the side. I think that's just to like pop off the back and clean it or whatever, I think. But and then it's got your off, low, and high, or low, off, and high from bottom to top. But you take this and you just start blow drying. Now, for me, if I really want extra volume, I will flip my head over. But another option, if you have trouble flipping your head over because of bad back or something like that, is go ahead and put it on high and start going underneath. Pull your hair up using your hands. I don't use an actual brush until it gets at least part of the way dry. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put it on high and start working my way around my head and getting it somewhat dry. Now my hair isn't completely dry, but I wanted to show you what I'm going to do next. If you noticed, I was kind of over-directioning it, where I pull it to one side and blast it right at the root. And now I don't have a thing on it like I don't know what it's called, like a concentrator or whatever you want to call it. I don't know what the proper names for things are. But now I'm taking a round brush. This is one, I think it's by Conair as well. No, this is a Goody Amp It Up hairbrush. It has little holes all through it. Now, with me, if y'all have my issue where you worry about getting your hair stuck, then this is where it's going to be helpful. This video might be helpful. Because I take it and I pull up a section of hair, and basically I will take the hair and pull it up like so. I wrap it around, like on the ends. I wrap the ends around just a little bit. I don't actually curl it all the way up. Wrap the ends around and pull it up, and then you can concentrate that heat right there at the roots, as well as get whatever hair's on there. And you can tell, even just doing that without heat does give a little bit of curl. But that's what I'm going to be doing now all over my head. I've got it brushed all back at this point, but I will be, doing some over-directioning from time to time as well as I do this. So here we go. Another tip that I wanted to share with you as I'm doing this, as I'm fixing my next section rather, is if you do roll it up a little higher, like I did on that last section, whenever you're blow drying, because that was a longer section too, whenever you're blow drying, if you want to really make sure you're getting it, then you can pull it out, push it in, pull it out, push it in. Roll it down, roll it up, roll it down, roll it up. And that will also help to dry the area too. At least that's my experience. So, here we go.
And I'll keep doing it.
Now I'm going to focus on the back. You can tell the difference in volume now, in the front especially. I don't always pay as much attention to the back, because usually whenever I'm doing videos and stuff, people aren't seeing the back very much. But I am going to show y'all how I do like the top and part of the back that you can see at least. Now, a key to keeping this height and volume, if you've ever blow dried your hair, you know there's a little button on some blow dryers. Like on here, it's above the power switch. You can take that, and as you're doing the last pass over all your hair, wherever you're wanting the volume to stay, you just hold that button down. That's a cool shot button. That helps lock in that height. So that's what I'm going to be doing now. Do a blast of heat and a blast of cool. Now that right there is the final look. So thank y'all so much for watching, and I do hope that you subscribe here to my channel. I do have a giveaway going on on my channel. I'll try to link to the giveaway video down below. And remember, the more you comment and interact on social media, whether it's here, whether it's Facebook, whatever, the more likely you are to win the giveaway. Just a little reminder there. And also, if you want to see how I got this makeup look, head on over to my head on over to my Facebook group, Blind Beauty Support, and you can see how I got this makeup look that I did today. Because I do try to do, or I'm going to start trying to do, more little quick videos on there showing how I put on makeup and chit-chat a little bit. And if you want to see live Get Ready With Me's, let me know over there that you would like to see them live instead of pre-recorded or whatever, because I have done both now. So, but this right here is the look, like I said. And if you want to see a video about getting volume in your hair, let me know in the comments down below, because I could work on products, suggestions, what products really help you get that volume and keep the volume rather than it just dying and going flat after 10 minutes. You know, I'm happy to do that. I also have a curling my hair video coming up next week. My makeup collection videos are coming, as well as more blind beauty, or not blind beauty, but more beginner beauty videos. So I do hope you subscribe for those as well. So thank you so much for watching, and all my social media links will be right down below. Bye-bye.